Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milky Way Art Design. Welcome to my channel. So this is a little 4" by 4" tile. As you can see, I'm taking very little base coat. Because it's a 4" tile, it doesn't have much. When I spin it, it will not have much inertia, so it will not get rid of much paint, so that's why I'm still spinning, and that's about it. Today on these tiles, I'm going to practice to create some butterflies. Some of my viewers said they want to see me create some butterflies instead of flowers, so this is my task for today. Now, today let's start with on this one, this light color paint. First one is Axolot from TLP. That's about it. You need very little paint. Dark in purple, Brilliant Magenta by Atelier. Okay, let's do this. And the cell activator I will go for on this one is going to be, let's do black, shall we? Okay. Blowing by mouth. So this side would be my face of the butterfly. I'm going to try to create a couple of tentacles. That's one. This is the other one. And this would be the back of my butterfly. So these are my wings. I'm dividing this one only 3 parts. Still, it doesn't look like a butterfly quite yet. So I'm going to pull these 2 sides down, because monarch butterflies has those things on the front and the back. And probably I'm going to try to get rid of some of these weird shapes here. It's not too difficult. You just have to make sure that you're using your skewers pretty wisely, and it takes practice. Maybe I want to break it up a little bit more because I want to create more interest. It doesn't give that much of a butterfly vibe, does it? No. So probably not very convincing, but yeah. Well, this is my first try, so we'll see. Okay, so this one is my second try. I forgot to turn my video on when I was blowing and layering. On this one I use the same color scheme, but I use the golden cell activator. The other day one of my viewers asked me to go for a butterfly, and that's what I'm trying to do. So this is my little butterfly. Let's see if I can create some designs here. On the flat side of the skewer, I just dip it in the paint and I'm putting some dots. Okay. So this is my butterfly. Should we try another one? Sure, why not? Up close. Looks pretty cool. This one is a little 4x4. As you can see, I'm being very cautious with how much paint I'm spread on it. Let's pin it. So as you can see, I am getting rid of as much base coat as possible. And I'm practicing butterflies. Anyhow, so this time I'm going to start with Naples yellow, then we'll go for brilliant magenta, Dax is in purple. That's about it. I'm going to use white cell activator. Let's see. I like blowing by mouth more. As you can see, straw gives you more preciseness. This one gives you more butterfly shape, right? I would say so. Okay, much better. And I'm liking that the light yellow is showing up. So that's the back. Nice, I'm liking it a lot. So now I'm going to use, for some reason, I'm having these dendrites because I had a bottom layer, so it's kind of trying to react. I'm trying to create my tentacles in the front. There we go, our butterfly. Now let's do some designs. These are all design purposes. It has nothing to do with the butterfly. There we go, my lovely viewer. You wanted me to create a butterfly, and here it is. Up close. Really pretty. I will make some more of this, and I'm really liking this. So thank you so much for joining me today. Until next time, bye.